In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Evernote app quickly and easily. Keeping Evernote updated is important because updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and give you access to the latest features and security improvements. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Once Evernote is open, look at the very top menu. You'll want to click Help from the menu bar. This is where Evernote keeps its update options on desktop. After you click Help, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Check for updates. Evernote will now check to see if a newer version is available. If there is an update ready, you'll see an option to download or update. Go ahead and click that button to begin the process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few moments, so just let it finish downloading and installing. While the update is installing, it's best not to close the app or interrupt the process. Once everything is complete, Evernote may ask you to restart the app. If you see a restart prompt, click it so the update can fully take effect. Restarting helps make sure all the new changes are properly applied, and that's it. You've now updated your Evernote app to the latest version. This is a really easy process once you know where to look, and it only takes a minute or two. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.